Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making lemon loaf with a lemony glaze. This is an easy and delicious treat that is bursting with lemon flavor. So let's get started. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 1 stick of butter. Melt this in a microwave and then set it aside to let it cool down some. Zest enough lemons to make 2 tablespoons and then set aside. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a 9x5 loaf pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray and line it with parchment paper and then set it aside. In a large bowl, add 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of sour cream. Whisk this together until it's well combined. Continue whisking and slowly pour in your melted butter. Then add your lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of lemon extract. Whisk this until it's well combined. Next, add 1½ cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Stir this together until it's just combined. Pour the mixture into your prepared pan. Now bake this in the oven for about 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. If the top is getting too dark, tint a piece of aluminum foil over the top. Then remove from oven and place it onto a wire rack to cool. To make the lemony glaze, in a bowl, add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Whisk this together until it's well combined. Once your loaf is completely cool, drizzle the glaze over the top. Cut it into slices to serve. And here it is, lemon loaf with a lemony glaze. And be sure to store this in an airtight container. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. If the top is getting too dark, tint a piece of and 2 teaspoons and take a 9x15 loaf pan and spray it with non-stick cooking. Oh my goodness, 9x15.